Clear coating is a popular choice for both appearance and protection, whether it's preserving the shine of metal, bringing out the natural beauty of wood, or preventing plastic from getting scratches and fading. Clear coat enhances visual appeal and protects surfaces from moisture, scratches, and wear. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to prep, apply, and protect these materials using KBS DiamondFinish Clear and KBS MAXX Clear. Clear coat offers dual benefits, improving appearance while providing a protective layer that preserves the surface from deterioration caused by moisture and wear. KBS offers a variety of clear coat solutions suited for different projects. DiamondFinish Clear 1K Aerosol is perfect for light to medium duty applications. Its acrylic resin formulation provides exceptional clarity, UV stability, and flexibility. It's ideal for metal, plastic, wood, and other surfaces exposed to moderate wear. DiamondFinish Clear is a moisture-cured urethane that delivers a higher level of durability and is perfect for projects that require more protection. Apply it by brush, roller, or with spray equipment. For the highest level of durability, KBS MAXX Clear is a two-component moisture-cured urethane designed for projects like automotive and industrial uses. It provides excellent adhesion, superior gloss retention, and is fast-drying. Before applying any clear coat, properly preparing your surface is crucial. To prepare unrusted bare metal, clean the surface with KBS Clean to remove dirt, grease, and oils. KBS Clean will thoroughly clean while leaving no adhesion-hindering residue. For ferrous metals like steel, dilute KBS Clean with 10 parts water to 1 part KBS Clean. For aluminum, use a 25:1 ratio. Scrub the surface with a sponge or scrub pad. Immediately rinse with water and dry thoroughly. Next, lightly scuff the surface with 400 to 600 grit sandpaper for best adhesion. Then clean, rinse, and dry again to remove any dust or particles. Detailed instructions for KBS Clean can be found on the KBS website. To prepare bare wood, remove any old coatings and sand the surface smooth. Then clean the surface with a tack cloth to remove sanding dust. When spraying KBS MAXX or DiamondFinish Clear, seal the bare wood with an initial coat reduced by 30 to 50% with KBS No. 1 thinner. Let this coat cure for 24 hours before sanding it lightly with 280 to 320 grit sandpaper. This will smooth out any raised grain. To prepare bare plastic, clean the plastic with KBS Clean diluted at a 5:1 ratio, and then scuff it lightly with 400 to 600 grit sandpaper or steel wool. Then clean, rinse, and dry again. Now let's apply the clear coat. For best results, follow these simple steps. When using DiamondFinish Clear 1K Aerosol, shake the can for 1 minute before use. Hold the can 8 to 12 inches from the surface and apply light, even coats. Apply a minimum of 4 thin coats, allowing each to dry to the touch before applying the next. Full curing takes 1 to 2 days under normal conditions. Instructions for DiamondFinish Clear 1K Aerosol can be found on the KBS website. When using DiamondFinish Clear, stir thoroughly with a paint paddle. Using a brush, roller, or spray gun, apply a minimum of 3 coats. Ensure each coat is thin and even, allowing 2 to 4 hours between coats. Full curing will take up to 7 days. Instructions for DiamondFinish Clear can be found on the KBS website. When using MAXX Clear, begin by thoroughly mixing MAXX Clear base with a paint paddle. Next, measure 3 parts of the mixed base into a clean mixing cup or container. Then add 1 part of MAXX Activator. Be sure to mix the 2 components thoroughly. Using a brush, roller, or spray gun, apply 3 to 4 thin coats. Ensure each coat is thin and even, allowing 1 to 2 hours dry time between coats. Full curing will take up to 7 days. Instructions for MAXX Clear can be found on the KBS website. Whether you're brushing, rolling, or spraying, here are a few tips for the best finish. To avoid brush marks, apply the clear coat without overbrushing. While it's usually unnecessary to thin DiamondFinish Clear or MAXX Clear when brushing, rolling, or spraying, it can be thinned with KBS No. 1 thinner or xylene. DiamondFinish Clear can be thinned by 10% for brushing and 10 to 20% for rolling. For spraying, 10 to 15% is typically adequate, while MAXX Clear can be thinned to up to 10% for spraying. When spraying, always wear a proper respirator and eye protection. Applying clear coat is a simple and effective way to protect and beautify bare metal, plastic, and wood surfaces. With the right preparation and KBS Coatings products, you can achieve a professional grade finish that will last. We hope this guide has helped you to get started. For more information and to purchase KBS Coatings, visit our website. KBS coatings are proudly made in the USA.